Hey everyone, welcome to Beauty for the Win. Today I want to show you guys the Do the Hoola kit, and this is by Benefit Cosmetics. So this is supposed to bring on the most believable bronze, and on the front here it says Beyond Bronze Kit for complexion, lips, and eyes. When I open this, tips and tricks are included. There's a booklet right here. In here we have the Hoola lip gloss, their real mascara, and then there's the Hoola bronzer and the Hoola brush. Also there is Do the Hoola. This is a bronzing soft matte face bronzer. And then there's the Balm lip balm, which is tinted. So I'm going to try all of these out. We're going to see how they work. Now the only one I'm not going to really try out is the Their Real mascara, because I've done this in a previous Benefit video. If you guys check that out, I've actually demonstrated this. This mascara is really amazing. If you're like me and you don't want to put on false lashes, they're just such a hassle, this is the kind of mascara that you want. This is really good for creating that false lash look. So let's start out with the Ultra Plush Hoola lip gloss. I've never tried this before, so not really any smell to it, but it is a bronze color. Immediately this lip gloss feels really smooth on my lips. It doesn't have that much color, I notice, like it's very sheer. There's a small bronze to it, but it's very, very sheer and light. The Hoola bronzer I have demonstrated in a previous Benefit Cosmetics video that I've done, but I'll just show you guys again. So here's the little brush. This bronzer is so amazing. It's buildable coverage, so the more that you put on, the darker of a bronze you're going to get. Do the Hoola. Never tried this product before. So it is a pump. Wow, look at the color. I had no idea. I thought this was going to be a lot less bronze. I'm actually happy of how bronze this is. So you can put this all over your entire face. You can just put this in certain areas like your cheekbones. It's totally up to you, but definitely a bronze color going on there. I'm going to demonstrate the last thing here, which is the Balm. It's a hydrating tinted lip balm, and it is such a beautiful ruby red color. I really like this. I'm going to do a swatch right now. This balm is smooth feeling and the color is really nice. It's not too in your face. There's also a convenient mirror here as well. I do like Benefit Cosmetics a lot. They have a lot of different products and very up-to-date makeup. Thank you guys so much for watching this. I'll see you guys soon.